Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple depth perception screening. You can either be at the patient's home or at a clinic. If you're at a clinic, use any 3 objects that you can find there, or if you're at home, try to find 3 objects that are familiar to the subject. So I have an apple, an orange or a mandarin, and a chocolate. And then you're going to place them in a straight line. It doesn't have to be biggest to smallest. It can be any order. Make sure they can see the objects. And then you're going to ask the following questions. So, are you able to tell me which object is the farthest away?
Green apple.
Green apple. And if they can't speak, you will just ask them to point. Okay, now we'll switch them. Can you tell me which object is closest?
The green apple.
Green apple. And then we'll switch them again. Can you tell me which object is in the middle between the farthest and the closest?
The chocolate.
Okay, good. So obviously she didn't have any depth perception dysfunction, but if she did, she wouldn't be able to accurately tell you which one's farthest, which one's closest, and which is in between. And as I mentioned before, you can also do it if there's a window. You can ask them which object is farthest, which is closest, and which one is in between. So whichever just works for you, depending on the environment that you're in. But that's it. It's super quick.